Michael. How are you today?
Fabulous.
Yes. Are you ready for the scanning?
Yes.
I'm happy. Please take a seat. Okay. So when you prepare the patient for the scanning, you position the dental chair the same way you do when you make your preparation. It must be ergonomic for you. So the scanning procedure is not a different procedure from the preparation. So when I do my preparation, mostly I'm on 12, on 9, on 3 sometimes, but most of the time I try to keep 12. And this is the position for the scanning as well. So I move my scanner as close as it is now, very close to the patient and to myself, so I can easily reach the camera. I can control the switch with my foot switch, and I got this syringe very close to myself to dry the area. So I dry, I pick up the camera and start the scanning. Start with the foot, scanning procedure off, putting the camera back on. So that's the best way.